We are learning more about a former legislator, now turned judge. Good evening, I'm Anita Blanton.
And I'm Tom Shad. Joe Lindsay served in the House of Delegates before being appointed last week to Norfolk General District Court. And 10 on your side's Andy Fox explains how his legislative career prepared him for the bench.
We're sitting down one-on-one with former Delegate Joe Lindsay. He goes back to the age of 17 to an event that changed his life.
I got T-boned by a car that was going at a high rate of speed.
At the time, Joe Lindsay was a senior at Booker T. Washington High School. 10 p.m., coming through East Princess Anne and Bolton Street. Bam!
That car was a police car. No sirens activated, no lights flashing.
Lindsay charged with failure to yield, but it was dropped because he had an advocate, a family attorney. Advantage.
The lawyer brought out the high rate of speed, the damage to my vehicle, and the fact that there was no siren and there were no lights.
Ever since that defining moment, Lindsay wanted to be an advocate.
Had I been white or black, without the ability to have legal representation, that I would have been rolled over by the system.
Lindsay earned a law degree from American University, and he's been on both sides.
I've been a prosecutor. I was the Chief Deputy Commonwealth's Attorney.
For 16 years, he was a substitute judge in district court and juvenile domestic relations all over Hampton Roads.
A more important social concern is the lack of education, the lack of opportunity, the things that cause a festering.
Then in 2014, the prize of all, winning the trust of people to serve in the House of Delegates. The greatest compliment of all, Republicans and Democrats, delegates and state senators all agreed Joe Lindsay should be the next Norfolk General District Court judge.
I'm most concerned about having a listening ear and making certain that the people that come before the court, whether I rule in their favor or rule against them, feel like they had a say in the outcome.
That meant turning off the lights at the law firm, resigning from the House of Delegates, and remembering that young man at 17 to be an advocate for fairness, justice, and truth. I'm Andy Fox, 10 on your side.